Try to start there. Okay, we're out on flood patrol, and here's our first water. We'll go on. Did you pause it? Can you see that and zoom in?
Yep.
Look at that flooding. Let's go on. And then look on the other side too. Not sure if you see, this is on both sides of the road, but luckily it's still going through the culvert. I don't know if you can see how widespread this is. Oh, it looks like it did go over the road maybe last night. Here it is, it has a current. Okay, and we'll keep driving on. Oh, there's a road. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Oh, I could keep this rolling and drive through here. You can see it's all right beside the road. It's like its own little river. Can you tell me if anybody's behind me ever? There's some parts that the road will be closed, I hear. And there's some parts where it just says that the water is over the roadway. But I know I have several friends who are worried about getting, water over their driveways and in their basements already. And the pumps are going. Probably, if they have pumps in. Is there a waterfall? I wish maybe you should switch sides and be on this side. Can you be on this side maybe? Wow. That's a field, but it looks like a river or lake now. That is really just a field where they plant peas, I believe. You can definitely look this way. Oh, because look, here's a little. Oh yeah, it has a little bridge. Oh, really? Oh, it is blocked. Oh. Why is it blocked? How do you get to my friend's house then? I was going to go over there because it's always over there little.
I keep having to go around because I keep seeing
Oh, okay. Well, we're going to have to go way around, you guys. This is going to be interesting when you see it over my friend's driveway. All right. Talk to you soon. Okay, so we got to our first water over roadway. Listen to that. Don't go too close. So I didn't really want to drive through it because I don't usually do that. But apparently some people do. Not me. I guess you can't see much there. Anyway. Listen to the pretty sound of the water. Luckily it's not pouring down rain anymore. So that's a good sign. But all the people that are by and on the other side of this road have to either stay home for a while or try driving through these things. What?
Wow, that's a strong current.
How tall is it? Deep is it? Not too bad, probably. I could probably drive through it. I mean,
Pictures are awesome.
maybe. Did I get any pictures? I'm not very good at taking pictures. Here, smile. Go stand there and smile. Wait, I'll take your picture. Just a minute. Look at mommy. Smile. Wait, let me get out so that you can actually see that she's not in the water. Look at mommy real quick.
I bet we can drive through this.
Probably, but let's go. We're going to go to that other place now. All right, we're going to go to the other places now. Fun. I think I'm almost out of time, and I don't know if I need a new phone, a camera, a new recorder, a new computer, or just maybe, hopefully, a new card.
I literally feel like I'm being pushed this way so bad.
Yeah, be careful. Well, we tried both ways to get to my friend's house, and this is what we are facing. So apparently we would have to actually move those and then move them back like they do to get in and out. And then they must have to drive through even deeper water than what we just saw, because there wasn't even a roadblock on that one. Unless there's just nobody living down that other road, which there might not be very many people. So anyways, and it's probably a enter at your own risk kind of thing. Okay, this one's interesting. Okay, here's the road. And I might get stuck now because there's really nowhere to turn around. And I have not my easy to turn around vehicle. Oh, can you see out there? I'm sorry if you can't, because it's really impressive. Anyway, it's made its own new river here. Oh, we'll bring you some more, hopefully, if we turn around. Bye. Here, I'll start the video. Is it getting pretty deep already? You're not even that far down? Out. Well, here's the road, and it goes... Oops, I better not walk farther. There's no way you'd want to drive through this one. And you're not even part way through. It goes way out there. Way, way out there. I don't know how many feet. I'm not very good at that. 100 feet? No. 1,000 feet, I mean. 5,000 feet? Who knows? Maybe they're going, what are you doing down there? I wonder if you can see it. Probably left. There's a hawk way over there. You can kind of see it better when I get up high here.